Welcome to the #1 spot for hydrogen product reviews. In this video, we will be reviewing the Nord hydrogen water bottle from the company Nord Hydrogen. My name is H2HUBB, the owner of H2HUBB, and this is the Nord hydrogen water bottle. If you've been searching for a verified high-performance hydrogen water bottle available in the EU, you'll want to stick around. This review is for you. Here's a quick breakdown of what we'll cover in this video. What is it for and who is it for? Details such as the company who sells it, key features and comparisons, tips and tricks to using this product, the user experience, safety and maintenance, our seal of approval and test results, my own personal opinion, and 3 reasons why you should consider this product. So, what is this device meant for? This hydrogen water bottle is for those who want to drink hydrogen-rich water but ensure it's safe and highly therapeutic. This premium H2 water bottle is specially designed for producing high concentration hydrogen-rich water within 5 to 10 minutes. Who would be interested in this device? This product is especially for newcomers and vets who want a top-tier hydrogen water bottle. It's also for users who want a hydrogen water bottle that has been tested by nearly every top authority in the industry, showing the bottle's efficacy. Also, it's for H2HUBB clients who are in Europe who want a H2HUBB approved option that they can trust will deliver results. All right, let's get into the details. Who offers this product and how does it compare to others? The Nord Hydrogen water bottle is sold by Nord Hydrogen, a Swedish Norwegian company dedicated to advancing health technology. Their mission is to create effective, safe, and easy to use products that help people by optimizing their health through molecular hydrogen therapy. H2HUBB has been a part of Nord Hydrogen's journey from the very beginning, and we've continually been impressed by their commitment not only to producing high quality products for consumers, but also for validating those products through trusted third-party authorities like H2HUBB. We look forward to continuing our collaboration and supporting Nord Hydrogen as they hold the standard for hydrogen wellness technology. To check the current price, head over to our website. H2HUBB shoppers often enjoy exclusive savings and promotional offers, and it's the only trusted third-party platform where you can buy hydrogen products backed by verified testing and real performance data. Now, let's dive into the key features. The bottle uses a PEM electrolysis cell with SPE technology, producing 99.99% pure molecular hydrogen, regardless of the source water you add to the device. The system generates a therapeutic concentration of hydrogen, achieving 3 to 5 milligrams per liter within 5 to 10 minutes, placing it among the higher performing hydrogen water bottles in its class. It's equipped with a touch-activated button and a sleek digital display that lets you easily check your cycle time and battery life at a glance. The bottle is engineered to keep your drinking water pure, ensuring that no byproducts or contaminants from the electrolysis process mixes into it. Constructed from food-grade plastic, ensuring safe and reliable water consumption. Each 10-minute cycle provides over 1 milligram of molecular hydrogen per bottle, simplifying dose tracking and helping ensure consistent daily intake necessary for therapeutic benefits. Charging is super easy with a standard USB port, just like a smartphone. It's lightweight, easy to use, and built for an active lifestyle. Plus, it sports an elegant design available in blue or black colors. Let's talk about what you're getting for your money. This is a well-engineered premium hydrogen water bottle capable of producing over 5 milligrams per liter of dissolved hydrogen. Verified through independent third-party testing, it meets and exceeds standards for hydrogen water concentration, water purity, PFAS, and heavy metal safety. How does the Nord hydrogen water bottle stack up against the competition? The hydrogen water bottle market is flooded with products that promise high hydrogen levels but rarely deliver. Reliable performance and verified results are hard to come by, which is what makes this bottle stand out. The Nord hydrogen water bottle combines exceptional build quality with proven hydrogen performance that has been independently verified. Both H2HUBB and H2 Analytics have tested and confirmed its performance, and its results have been certified to IHSA standards for accuracy and safety. It's a premium example of what a true hydrogen water bottle should be, setting the benchmark for quality in Europe and beyond. Let's get into the ins and out of this product in the user experience. On the back of the bottle, you'll find the USB Type-C charging port. Before your first use, fully charge the device. It typically takes a couple of hours for a complete charge. The front features a digital display with a touch-activated button. Press and hold for 2 seconds to start the 5-minute cycle. Tap again to switch to the 10-minute cycle. The display clearly shows the selected cycle time and battery life for easy monitoring. The unit comes with 3 parts: the generator base, bottle, and lid. The generator produces hydrogen gas through advanced PEM-SPE water electrolysis. You'll notice a small O2 outlet port pinhole at the bottom for safe oxygen release. The bottle screws securely onto the generator base. The lid screws onto the top of the bottle and includes a built-in passive pressure release valve for safety. Let's walk through how to use the bottle. Fill the bottle with your desired filtered drinking water up to the bottom of the threads. Screw the lid on tightly to ensure a proper seal. Select your desired cycle time, 5 or 10 minutes, and let the bottle run without opening it during operation. Once the cycle is complete, open the lid and for best results, pour the hydrogen-rich water gently into another glass before drinking. Safety is important and the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle does it well. The bottle is engineered to keep the drinking water pure. Through chlorine and ozone testing, we confirmed that no byproducts or contaminants from the electrolysis process entered the water. The lid includes a passive pressure release valve that automatically regulates internal pressure, ensuring safe operation during every cycle. Made from high-quality food-grade plastic, the bottle is completely designed for safe, long-term use. Its lightweight construction also prevents risk of shattering that comes with glass bottles. Maintenance is important, so let's talk about it. To keep your bottle performing at its best, descale the electrodes once a month using either white vinegar or citric acid. This helps prevent mineral buildup and keep the system running efficiently. Wash the bottle portion periodically with soap and water. Avoid submerging or washing the generator base or lid. If you drink directly from the bottle, it's important to disinfect it at least once a week. We recommend using HOCl hypochlorous acid for safe and effective cleaning. We can provide links to trusted sources. Other household disinfectants can be used as well, but always ensure they are properly diluted and thoroughly rinsed before reuse. For best hygiene, we suggest pouring hydrogen-rich water into a separate glass before drinking to prevent bacteria from entering the generator. Recharge the bottle when the battery runs low. As a good practice, plug it in at the end of the day to keep it ready for the next use. Let's cover some tips and tricks for this bottle. One tip or trick that you can always use with this bottle to ensure you receive the highest therapeutic dose is to make sure you fill the bottle all the way up to the bottom of the threads before screwing on the lid. This ensures you will always max out the H2 concentration for either cycle that you're choosing. Another tip is knowing that these bottles can have a break-in period from 1 to 2 weeks before their best performance actually is achieved. Let's get into our results and our seal of approval and how the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle earned it. Every device we test has gone through our H2HUBB full evaluation process, which includes verifying hydrogen output and therapeutic potential, safety systems, and overall build quality against our in-house performance standards. Only the products that meet or exceed our standards receive our H2HUBB seal of approval. The results show that at the 5-minute setting, the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle produced an average dissolved hydrogen concentration of approximately 2.83 milligrams per liter. Extending the cycle to 10 minutes increased the concentration to approximately 4.75 milligrams per liter, placing it in the upper therapeutic range for these bottles. During testing, a peak concentration of 5.01 milligrams per liter was also recorded. These results confirm that the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle meets and exceeds our performance expectations, producing well above H2HUBB's therapeutic threshold of 0.8 milligrams per liter or 0.8 milligrams per day. On the 10-minute setting, the device delivered a total ingested hydrogen dose of 1.05 milligrams, achieving a verified therapeutic level in a single use. With consistent use of just 1 to 3 bottles per day, individuals can easily consume 1 to 3 milligrams of molecular hydrogen daily, aligning with dosages shown to be effective in multiple human clinical studies. For these reasons, the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle has officially earned the H2HUBB seal of approval and our full recommendation status. All right, everybody, so let's go ahead and get into my opinion of this product. First things first I want to cover is the build quality. The bottles are top notch, heavy duty, feels great in the hand. Also, secondly would be that we know that the bottle comes from a reputable manufacturer. Not every bottle has that. And so knowing that the bottle is constructed well, has great build quality, just means you're going to have longevity for the product. Number 2 would be its consistent hydrogen performance. The bottle pretty much always verbatim on the 5-minute setting or the 10-minute setting is going to hit anywhere between 3 to about 5 milligrams per liter. It's a really consistent bottle. Definitely love that you can get a therapeutic dose of hydrogen gas within 5 to 10 minutes from this bottle, and know that you're going to be ingesting pretty much about 1 milligram for every 10 minutes that you run this bottle. So that's great, because in the scientific research, 1 to 3 milligrams per day or more is what's being used in human clinical research, showing therapeutic effects in various human disease models. And so it makes it really easy to calculate your daily dose. You drink 1 to 3 of these a day, and you know you're going to get a therapeutic dose of hydrogen gas into your body. If you want a larger dose, drink another bottle. And so it makes it really easy. I think the last thing I will go ahead and basically cover about this product would be, it is arguably the most third-party tested bottle in the entire industry. It's been looked at by H2 Analytics. It's been looked at by H2HUBB. It's been certified to IHSA standards. It's had PFAS testing. It's had heavy metal testing, water quality testing. I mean, it's had all of the verification. And this is what we obviously pride ourselves in here when it comes to H2HUBB. Our whole company is built on third-party testing. And so knowing that the product is not only third-party tested by us, but also by these other authorities in the industry, only adds more credibility to the product. So that's basically what I have to say about it. That's my personal opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Final thoughts and conclusion. The Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle represents what a hydrogen water device should be. High-performing, thoughtfully engineered, and independently verified, delivering reliable therapeutic hydrogen concentrations, clean operation with no byproducts, and user-friendly functionality in a sleek, portable design. In a market crowded with products that often make unverified claims, Nord Hydrogen stands out for its transparency, integrity, and commitment to third-party validation. Their collaboration with H2HUBB and H2 Analytics demonstrates a serious dedication to quality assurance and consumer trust. If you're looking for a premium hydrogen water bottle that combines performance, safety, and proven results, the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle is one of the best available options, and one we confidently recommend. Alright, so now let me give you 3 reasons why you should consider the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle. Number 1, verified performance. Tested and confirmed by both H2HUBB and H2 Analytics, this bottle consistently produces therapeutic hydrogen concentrations up to 5 milligrams per liter, meeting and exceeding the level shown to be effective in clinical research. Number 2, available EU H2HUBB approved option. While H2HUBB is a US-based company, it serves as a worldwide resource for both consumers and hydrogen companies. For our clients and followers in the EU, the Nord Hydrogen Water Bottle represents an excellent regionally available option for accessing verified therapeutic hydrogen water. Number 3, proven credibility. Unlike many bottles on the market that rely on claims, Nord Hydrogen invested in third-party testing and certification, earning H2HUBB's seal of approval. Your assurance of transparency, safety, and verified performance. Question: do you think that verified testing should be the standard for all hydrogen water products? Share your thoughts. We would love to hear your perspective in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like what we're doing here at H2HUBB. We're testing products all the time, so we will always have new content for you. And that's it. Catch us next time at the H2HUBB.